Welcome. In this video, we'll be looking at several ways of creating your reels really fast, as in create as many reels as you want within the shortest time possible. And at the end of this video, I'll be showing you something really exciting that you never knew you could do using the Instagram app. So let's dive right in. First, I'm heading into my Instagram app. Next, we already know where the reel feature is. But if you don't know where it is, click on that link above. We come into the reel feature. You click on the plus button here, then you click on the reel. So now we have clicked on the reel feature. What we need to do first is, remember, you need to have your pictures or your videos in your phone. I'm going to show you a lot of things, and having those items at hand is going to be important. You could even have a video of yourself where you're saying something or where you're silent, but a short video. All of these, I'll be showing you how we're going to be using them. So first thing I'll do is, at the bottom left of my phone, I'll click on that plus button, go to my WhatsApp. So these are still pictures, but I'm going to make videos out of them. First thing I'll do is to long press on one, right, and then click on several other items I would like to go along with that one, right. When I'm done, I'll click on this next at the bottom right. The wheel will automatically select an audio that would go with whatever item you select. But if you don't want that, we'll show you how to change it in the next video. So now it has given us this one. Then click on next. So here we are. If I want to preview how it's going to appear, I'll just long press on my screen, and this is how it will be. So what are the various things we can do now with this? First is, come to the bottom left of the phone, click on edit video. I have like two layers under the video or under the picture. I have a layer that has some square boxes, and then I have the layer that has the sound waves. So I'll click on the second box and choose a transition. Any transition, there are several you can choose from. So I'll just say done and apply to all. So I'll remove the transition on the first one, cancel and say done, and then I'll remove it from the last one too. Slide and cancel, say done. So now I have the transition on the slides in between. That is step one, choosing transition. So you can play it to see how it will go into the next one. So that's one. Then two, if I want to write different text on each slide, I can now come in here, click on the text at the bottom and write. Change the background color to one of the brand colors. This one is a blue. So beauty, beautiful, and lightweight. I would say done. Then you now see there's a third layer, right? So on that, I'm now going to click on that third layer. It brought out a yellow background, something like that, or yellow outline. So I'll hold on the arrow at the right and then pull it back so that it's only at the first one. Then we'll come to the next slide. Then we'll click on text again. Unique designs just for you. Then I'll change the color to blue also. Done. I'll say done, and then I'll pull this one so it starts at where the first one stopped and then stop at where the second one stops, right? Then text again. Comfy wear for your school runs, for your early morning, for your morning school runs, right? These are just examples. I'll change the color too. Then we'll say done and then adjust where it's going to start from. All right, then we'll do another text again. We're done with you. Then click on text again. The next one will be to wear. After freshening up from a long day's work, then I'll choose a color. Say done. I'll say done, and then also readjust it such that, and then we go to the next one. Add text. So you can see how I'm adding a different text after on each slide. So here, just so beautiful, you can't resist. Again, change the color. I don't like this text combination. Good. So this one, it even helped us to arrange the text itself. So we've done that. We've done text on separate slides. Then here I want to use a sticker, right, which will make it like engaging. So I'll say, how will you rate these lovelies, right? So once they swipe, I will get to see their reaction to be on all of the slides, like it will appear all through the video. Then another thing we can do again is when we're done here, I can go back. I'll go back here and then pull down the video. I'm sorry, yeah. I'll shift this somewhere, drag, use my two hands to like resize it, right? And then you can position it anywhere you like. So this is me trying to, so this is the smallest I can get it to be. So we are done here. I have rearranged it. Now, if I do not want to use the sound that they have chosen for me, I can click on this music icon, then search for another audio. If you know the name of the artist, you can put it. If you don't know, you can just type in something that you feel goes along with the product you're posting. So if, for example, I'm looking for something that has beautiful in it, so here I've chosen one that has beautiful. So let's hear. So good. If I want that, I'll choose it. If I don't, I'll change it. So that's how you use that music icon. The next thing we can do is to still click on that. If I want that sound to still be there, but I want to speak over the video or over that sound, I'll click on these controls here. I'll reduce the sound of that audio I choose. I would say done. Then I'll now click on this microphone that has voiceover on it, and I'll click on the red button. Notice how the circle, that's the red circle outside the square, is enlarging and decreasing, enlarging and decreasing. So while the recording is ongoing, you won't hear my sound. But now we're done and we're halfway. You can see where we stopped. So it has not completed the entire slides we have. You see the red gradient appeared almost halfway through the bar we have under the video. If I want to continue talking, I can still hold it again. Now it's full. So it's completed. I would say done, right? And then we just click the back button and we'll click on next. So here we are. Sometimes they'll give us a preview button on top, but right now they're not giving it to us. Then you write your caption. The video I used was beautiful, right? A woman of such beauty as yours should have a range of comfortable wears to change into either for school runs or just lounging at home or after freshening up from a long day's work, right? They are super lightweight. Feels as though you have nothing on. Perfect outfits to get into after a hard day's work or job, whatever. H is just Naira 15,000, but he gets it today at 7,500, right? Just click on the link in bio to get one for you and a friend and a friend, right? Full stop. And I'll use my hashtags. Do I have hashtags saved? I usually save the hashtags out. Next, you put your hashtags and then post your content to go live by clicking on share. So the next type of reel we'll be looking at is in text on reel, but not just using text on reel, but creating the text right here on the Instagram app. So what you do first is click on the plus button at the bottom, go to your story. So go to your story. Now that you're in your Instagram stories, you're going to click on the square at the bottom left of your phone and select just anything. Anything you see that is an image, select it. Then at the top right, you click on these three dots rather. So at the top right, you click on the three dots and then click on draw. Choose the color of your choice. I'll be choosing the white color here at the bottom, and then long press on your screen. Then go back to the top right and then click on that tick. We've changed the screen to white background. Next thing we can do is you click on this sticker icon. That's the third icon at the top right, or the second one if you're counting from your left. So the third one. Then you scroll a bit and then you see this square that has a plus sign in it. You click on that and then you look for an image you would want to put inside, right? So let me click this one, for example. So I can write text above and below. Are you with me? So I'll do this, click on that and then write. Guess what happened today? So the first thing the person will see is guess what happened today, and then they're like, what happened? Like, what's happening? What happened? Then I'll come down here and say read caption to find out, right? Read caption to find out. I'll change that color also and say done. I'll now click on those three dots again to the top right and say save. So now this has saved. I can try to go ahead and send it to my stories just to make my stories lively. So now that I have downloaded that, I'll click on the plus button again. Then go to my reels, go to my reel, and search for that what do you call it? That pin I just created. So click on plus and then click on this. So this is another picture created here on the app that I'm going to use as a reel. So I'm going to add that. Now, if I want to add another copy of that same one, I'll add it again. I have added 3 slides. What can I do with this? I'll now say next. So this is it. So I can now record a voice over it. So I'll do that. Click on voiceover, record whatever it is I want to record. When I'm done, I'll say done, and then we go to next. I'll put a sound. Remember I said the sounds help our content to go further. So you click on done, then you do the rest of the process. I know you've had a swell time so far, so now we'll be looking at how to do all of these things I've shown you way faster, and that is by using templates. So let's dive in. We'll be looking at how to make use of the templates for the Instagram reels. So what the templates help you do is to help you create the reels faster by having pre-made templates that you can sharply customize. So here I have 30 templates that I have put together, and here they are. All I have to do right now is just click on one, and then I'll click on that. It will automatically go into Instagram. So I'll click on these three dots as usual and say use as template. So all I need to do now is to impute my own content. And what do I need to do? I'll just click on add media here and then put in what I want. So I'll select one according to the number of slides I have at the bottom there. Offals, I have liver, I have chicken, I have gizzard, and I have oxtail. Then oxtail, I'm going to have to look for others to fill up what I have there. I have oxtail, I have bigger chicken, and then I have already made oxtail. So it's still incomplete. I'm going to add these what do you call it, goat's meat. Then I'll look for more. I'll come to my Canva. Okay, not this Canva, the other Canva. Then I'll look for everything that goes along with this one. All right, so now my slides are complete. So here, complete. I'll now click on next again. So I'm going to ask an engaging question. Here, Yo has posted, I asked an engaging question. I said, are you going to cook any of these today? All right, so the person will say yes or no. Then in my caption, I now continued, which of these did you say you were going to cook today? At so and so, we have everything chicken and beef hygienically processed and carefully packed for easy use and storage. Click in the link in bio and then put in my my hashtags, and then I added another sound. So you can see how easy and straight to the point this is. This brings us to the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Bye.